Yeah, hello. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my noble platform. Yeah, so today we are about to talk about Neptune. Neptune Neptune network, because this a new way to make money online. So no time to waste. Let's start from scratch. How you can download the app and how you can use this app to make more money. So first of all, let me go to my web browser. So I will leave the link to the website. I'll leave the link to the website in my description, and I will leave my invitation code over there too. So if you click on my invitation code and you put there, you will get free $500. You get free $500. Yeah. So that's how you do it. You open your browser. Right now, the app is not available on Play Store. So you open your browser, then you enter Neptune dot bet. Then click on go. Yeah, so it's open. So you have to wait more. Yeah, yeah. So this how the app is like. The app is AI driving the future of decentralizing trading. So it's a trading app, like it's a wallet. Yeah, so let me say it's a wallet app. So you can make money through USDT, TRX, NT, everything so that thing. So instead of you to click on the get it on Google Play Store, you will not do that. You click on download for Android. You see, yeah, you see, and it will download it. But since I've downloaded it, so I've downloaded the app already. So that's how you download it. And this one, when you're doing registration, they don't need your, let's say, your Gmail or something like that. Nah, it's a wallet. Yeah. So this how the thing like it looks like. So this how it is. And have you seen the down there? That's my TRC20 ID. Yeah, that's my TRC20 ID. Yeah, so this is how it is. So you see, yeah. So this how it is. So if I go to my wallet, this is the wallet, and have you seen this thing? If I want to join their Telegram, I'll click on it and I'll join their Telegram and things. I will leave their Telegram link to in my description, and their link and how you can download the app. I will leave everything in my description. Yeah. So when you come here, that's how you do it. You click on my profile, then you go to invite friends. And since invite friends, and since I invited you there, so you will input NF, this N, capital F, X, A, J, E, and you click on the blend. So if you click on the blend, you will get free 500 USDT. Yeah, you get free 500 USDT right at the top corner. Yeah, and you can also deposit money through Neptune network. So this is how you do it. You copy your TRC20 over here. Then you go to, let's say let's say Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. You go to Trust Wallet. You can send money from Trust Wallet over there. Oh, let me use some simple. Okay, let me use yellow card. Yeah, let me use yellow card. So you can use any like trading app that like can send money through TRC. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, so any app. So when you go there, then you click on this the withdrawal. Then you enter your USDT over there. So USDT, let's say send stars over there, and you see the money at the top. When you come here, you see that the money at the top. Yeah. So we have market. So this is how the market is like. You can click on, let's say USDT. You can buy USDT from here, do your exchange from here, everything. And you have exchange. The exchange, it means that if I have enough money in my cell, I can exchange it to USDT. Have you seen it? So I can exchange it to my USDT. It's like how I always teach you. It's that thing. And the trading. This is how the trading looks like. The USDT. So you can receive money in this. And one thing about this, like, so if I deposit 10 USDT or 100 USDT daily, I'll get 0.445% from 10 USDT. So let's say, oh, this is how the USDT looks like. You see, so daily. So if you invested 100 USDT daily, you will get daily you will get 0.5% from 100 USDT, and monthly you will get 13.5% from the 100 or 10 USDT, and the minimum money you have to deposit is 10 USDT. Yeah, so that's how it is. So and this is what you do. And so I think it's okay. So I'll be teaching more about this thing and how you can use it to make more money. So I'm out.